Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your American Airlines AAdvantage account to earn miles and access member benefits, follow these simple step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit aa.com or open the American Airlines mobile app on your smartphone to access your AAdvantage loyalty program account. Step 2. Log in using your AAdvantage number or the email address associated with your account, along with your password. If you don't have an account, create one first. Step 3. After creating your account, check your email inbox for a verification message from American Airlines. This email confirms your registration and provides a verification link. Step 4. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link or button provided. This will redirect you to the American Airlines website and verify your email address. Step 5. If you didn't receive the verification email, log into your account and navigate to your profile settings to request a new verification email be sent. Step 6. Complete your AAdvantage profile by providing additional personal information such as your full legal name, exactly as it appears on your ID, date of birth, and preferred contact methods. Step 7. Add your phone number to your profile for account security and flight notifications. American Airlines may send you an SMS verification code to confirm your mobile number. Step 8. Enter the SMS verification code if prompted to complete the phone number verification process. This helps secure your account and enables mobile boarding passes. Step 9. For enhanced security, consider setting up two-factor authentication if available. This adds an extra layer of protection to your AAdvantage account. Step 10. Review your account dashboard to confirm all information is correct and your verification is complete. You can now book flights, earn miles, and access exclusive AAdvantage member benefits and offers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.